welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Word, in this video you will see how to do it. So in my case I want that the page number should start from the page number 3. Okay, so first I'm going to number the page. Okay, now go to insert, now page number and page number, and click on OK. So now you will see it is page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. Okay, so what you have to do now, here you will see it is section. Here you will see section. Okay, and if it is not showing in your, so what you have to do, just go to pages and right click and then select the section. Okay, pages, right click and select the section. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the page from where you want to start the numbering. Okay, click here, as I want it to start from number 3 page. So click here and then go to layout. Okay, and here you have to click on breaks, then click on continuous. Okay, now what you have to do, here you will see, you have go down and here you will see number 3. Now you have to double click here. Okay, so when you double click here you will see option same as previous. Okay, so what you have to do, here you will see link to previous option, you have to unlink it from here, unlink. Okay, now come here and remove this page number. Okay, okay, so you will see that here there is no number here, and you will see it is start from 3. So now I am going to make it start from 1. Okay, now click here, then under header and footer, page number, format page number, start from 1. Okay, so like this you can start page numbering from specific page. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.